How to cancel your Paramount Plus subscription. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll just show you how you can cancel your premium membership or subscription for Paramount Plus. It's very easy. By the way, if you want to delete your Paramount Plus account, then you can watch our other video for which we've already mentioned it before. But if you want to cancel only your subscription and keep your account and all of your history so that later you want to change your mind and subscribe again, you have to understand that you will not be able to cancel your subscription from the Paramount Plus application or website. Instead, you have to go to the way you subscribe to. So if you went ahead and subscribed to Paramount Plus from your iPhone Apple Pay, you have to open settings and go to subscriptions in order to go ahead and cancel your subscription as well. But for Android, you have to launch your Google Play Store. Once you launch your Google Play Store, you will see this kind of interface. On the very top right hand side, just tap on the profile icon that you see, and once you tap on the profile icon, here you want to go to the option called payments and subscriptions. As you could see, once you go to payments and subscriptions, at the very top again you can see the option called subscriptions, and if you tap on it, here you'll be able to see all of the applications on which you've subscribed to, for example Paramount Plus and so on. If you have subscribed to them using a Google balance or Google Pay, whatever you've added in it, you can go ahead and cancel it by following the on-screen instructions. But in my case, I haven't subscribed to any, so you're not being able to see this, but most likely you will definitely see the Paramount Plus over here. And this is how you can cancel your Paramount Plus subscription. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.